Kumiki Japanese puzzle, interlocking wooden puzzle. The goal is to take apart and after to put back together. To take apart really easy, we just need to find a piece that can move freely. And when we find it, like we can see, everything fall apart. Okay, if we take a closer look at the piece, let's see. We have these two are identical. We have the same for these two. What else? We have these two pieces, the same. Let's see, these two pieces, the same. Also these two. What else? These two small pieces. I think they are identical some way, yes. And we have this piece, 5 unique pieces. Alors, to put back together, we're going to start with these two pieces, and these two, and this one. Okay, and also this one. Okay, this piece go here, this one on the top. And now we need to place these two pieces, but first I need to find the right orientations. Let's see if I place the piece like that. No, it's not working. Let's see. The other way around, maybe. Yes, okay, that's the way. Okay, this piece on this side, this piece on the other side, and finally this piece. Okay. No, we need to find a piece and then go there, and I think these two. Okay, we have this piece going somewhere. I think it's like that, and this one going like that. Okay, but here I need first to place another piece and these two. Okay, I'm going to move this one. I'm going to place this piece. Oh, I'm not going to this one. Finally, oop. Okay, not easy. Okay, I think I got it. Yes, okay, that's done. No, I really need these two pieces and this one. Alors, first I'm going to place this piece here. If I can. Like that. Alors, this piece go in the back this way. This one go on the top here like that. Okay. Next will be these two pieces, one in the back and one in the front. Okay, this one needs to be placed somewhere. Already lost a piece. Okay. I need to move this piece somewhere. Okay, alors this go here. Okay. Do the same here. How am I going to work? Okay. I think I need to turn this piece this way. Okay, now will work. I need to put back this piece. Okay. No, this piece. I need to turn this piece such way that keep puzzle together, but it's so loose, cannot be done. Now I'll just go plus like that in the corner. Next will be this piece. Go here, and finally the last piece should go here. Yes. Okay. And we have solved both ways this cute Kumiki Japanese puzzle.